MSG Sphere Construction Update. The under-construction MSG Sphere at the Venetian is scheduled to open in late 2023. Take a look at the views from the top of MSG Sphere. MSG Sphere at the Venetian is a sphere-shaped music and entertainment arena being built in Paradise, Nevada, Las Vegas. MSG Sphere will be 366 feet 112 m high and 516 feet 157 meters wide. It will include seating for 17,500 people and all seats will have high-speed internet access. MSG Sphere has 9 levels, including the basement, where a VIP club will be located. 23 suites will be included, across the 3rd and 5th floors. The MSG Sphere will be equipped with 19,000 by 13,500 resolution LED screens which will spread across the interior of the venue. The wraparound screen will measure 160,000 square feet. It will be the largest and highest resolution LED screen in the world. The exterior of the venue will feature 580,000 square feet of programmable lighting, which can be modified based on holidays, for example to depict the sphere as a Halloween pumpkin or a Christmas snow globe. The sphere will feature 164,000 speakers, and the sound system will deliver sound through the floorboards. 4D features, including scent and wind, will also be used. The arena will primarily host awards shows and concerts, in addition to other entertainment events. Although it was not designed to host sporting events, there is the possibility of hosting matches for boxing and mixed martial arts, as well as esports tournaments. Okay, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next time.